Makeup, enhancing beauty, empowering expression. Makeup has been an integral part of human culture for centuries, transcending time and boundaries. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, makeup has played a significant role in enhancing beauty and empowering self-expression. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of makeup, exploring its history, products, application techniques, and much more. Makeup, also known as cosmetics, refers to a range of products used to enhance one's appearance. It includes a wide array of items such as foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, blush, and bronzer, among others. Makeup serves both aesthetic and artistic purposes, allowing individuals to accentuate their features and express their unique personalities. Ancient origins of makeup. The history of makeup dates back to ancient times, with evidence of cosmetic use found in various archaeological findings. Ancient Egyptians were pioneers in makeup application, using kohl to line their eyes and create dramatic looks. Additionally, both men and women in ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Greece used makeup as part of their daily grooming rituals. During the Middle Ages, makeup fell out of favor in certain societies due to religious and cultural influences. However, it continued to thrive in other regions, like Asia, where traditional makeup practices were passed down through generations. The glamorous Hollywood era. The 20th century witnessed a resurgence of makeup, especially with the rise of Hollywood. Iconic movie stars like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn popularized specific makeup looks, leading to the mass adoption of makeup as a beauty essential. Makeup products and their uses. Various makeup products cater to different areas of the face, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. Foundation and concealer. Foundation provides a smooth base for makeup application, evening out the skin tone. Concealer, on the other hand, is used to cover blemishes and imperfections. Eye makeup, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Eyeshadow adds depth and dimension to the eyes, while eyeliner defines the eye shape. Mascara enhances the length and volume of eyelashes. Lip products, lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. Lip products add color and definition to the lips, with lipstick providing a more opaque finish and lip gloss offering a glossy shine. Blush and bronzer. Blush adds a flush of color to the cheeks, while bronzer creates a sun-kissed glow and contours the face. Mastering makeup tools, brushes, sponges, and more. The right tools can make all the difference in your makeup application. Explore the various types of brushes, sponges, and other tools that professionals swear by. Tips for various skin tones and types. Makeup is inclusive, and there are techniques that cater to every skin tone and type. Discover tips for achieving a seamless and radiant look, regardless of your unique complexion. The power of makeup, boosting confidence and self-esteem. Makeup has the incredible ability to boost confidence and enhance self-esteem. Explore stories of individuals who have used makeup as a means of self-expression and self-care. Makeup trends through the decades, a walk down memory lane. From the bold and glamorous looks of the 1950s to the minimalistic trends of today, makeup styles have evolved with each passing decade. Take a nostalgic journey through the changing face of beauty. Brace your inner artist and unleash your beauty. Makeup is more than skin deep, it's an art that allows you to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the world of cosmetics offers endless possibilities for enhancing your natural beauty.